I will now then show you an example of system debugging. So let me execute this program. I have set a breakpoint before. Okay, now we are here in this point, so let me continue the execution with single step, and then I will just hit F5 again. Can you see that the execution flow moved from call function to the get source name method? So even with a single step F5, the program didn't stop here in this call function. So not that it didn't stop, but it didn't went through the single statements of this function module. Let me do it differently. Let me move on with the execution until the end. Let me go back and let me execute it once more. Okay, now let me do it differently. Let me choose settings and then system debugging on off. So this function module, SAP GUI progress indicator, is identified as a system program. Now if I do the same with F5, you can see that now I am able to debug this function module. And I can move on. But imagine that okay, I see that the problem, for instance, that I'm looking for is not here, so let me deactivate the system debugging, and now any button that I hit will make me leave this program. So let me hit F5, and then you see that now I am back to the caller.